Hi, everybody. I'm Sherry Hudson-Passy from the Select Committee. And with me today, I've got D. Joshua Taylor, and he is going to talk to us about his upcoming class, Advanced Techniques for Mastering Online Searches and Uncovering Digital Records. Hi, Josh. How are you?
I'm great. How are you today?
I'm so happy to be here talking to you about this class. Give us a little overview of what's going to happen, so if people are interested in coming, they'll know what to expect.
Great. So this course is really all about if you are frustrated with Google and you're not getting enough out of it, you're not finding what you're looking for. This course is all about helping you to learn how to find things online. So it's everything from search engines to online archives to using some of the big commercial and nonprofit websites. But it's really a course that helps you learn how to search for things online. So we talk about things like developing the right keywords, and there's hands-on experiences so you can practice what we're talking about, and you can get feedback, and you can work together to sort of create new techniques. So it's really a fun, collaborative, and very interactive course.
Yeah. Is there any prerequisites? What do you recommend people might need to know before they?
No set prerequisite. I usually suggest that you come into the class with 2 or 3 different search sort of things that you want to look for, or research questions that you have, so that you can work through those in the course. And I always suggest as well, if they are sort of different time periods, different locations, because it gives you a chance to practice what we're learning in a couple of different sort of research projects.
Yeah, there's nothing like going to a class, learning things, and then having that opportunity to practice it, and then reporting back what you've practiced and telling everybody and get that excitement going. So I like that format of this class. It's really great. So homework.
There's no homework. The only thing that we constantly find, and every time I've done this course, that this is the sort of consistent thing, is that students create their own homework because they want to spend the night exploring what we talked about, and they want to spend the days and times in between classes just practicing. And so I do usually recommend, if you're taking the course, make sure you're prepared to spend a bit more time searching than you might otherwise, just so you can start to apply some of the things that we're learning about.
Exactly. And that makes it more fun. And that's how you learn, that's really how you learn. So it's better than just sitting in the class and then not doing anything. And then afterwards you're like, what did I learn? I don't remember. So I love the fact that this has got hands-on. I love the fact that you have time just on your own without somebody telling you something that you have to get done, that you can go and explore on your own. So that's really great. There are other instructors. So
there are. So I know you're an instructor in the course.
That sounds awkward.
But it's great. So Sherry comes in and talks about using sort of the big 4, so Ancestry and MyHeritage and Family Search and Find My Past, and really gives some really intermediate and advanced techniques to using those resources, and also talks about using archives. We have Linda comes in and talks about mapping and using sort of maps that through Google Earth and some of the tools there. It's a great course. And then Gina comes in and talks about museums and digital objects, which is fascinating, because we talk about how to find things that will never exist in paper or book or sort of printed format, but how do you find those materials? And so it's a really, really interesting approach to finding resources.
Yeah. It's a fun course. Well, is there anything else that you want people to know about this course as they're trying to make decisions on the best way to build their skills?
I would say the one thing to know is this course is for researchers of all levels. We do cover some fairly advanced techniques, but what I found in the course, if you have done searching online for years and years, people still get something out of the course, because we update techniques and you learn about what's new. But it also is about getting yourself in a mindset of how to approach online searches. And that's really what we hope to accomplish.
Right. Well, thank you. This has been wonderful. I appreciate all this information, and we hope that you watching, this has helped you to be able to decide what course. Sometimes it's really hard to decide which courses that you want to take. And this will give you a little bit of flavor of this course. So thank you so much, Joshua. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.
Bye.